Hi everyone, welcome to Business Ethics. I'm your instructor, Rachel Lundbaum. I wanted to give you a quick overview of the course and kind of help you to navigate through the Canvas site. So the best way to get started in this course is to either click here to access the course content or click over here on modules to access the modules as well. So I'm going to click modules. All right, so I asked that to get started, you read the syllabus. And then there's just a quick short quiz on what was in the syllabus. You can take that as many times as you want until you get them all right. You can read a little bit about me, and then I ask that you click on this forum and introduce yourself to your classmates. I've included in there some of the things you might want to include. I also encourage you to include a picture so that we can put a face with your name. It really helps me to get to better know you and to remember students um, when I have a face, not just their name. And then here's just an example that I posted of myself. So we'll go back to modules. I'm going to click on the syllabus. I want to cover just a couple things in there to make sure that we're all on the same page. So at the top of the syllabus, once it loads, you'll see that it has my contact information. I am not physically located on the WETCC campus. I'm virtual, so I have virtual office hours Monday and Wednesday from 11 to 12 or by appointment. So if you need to speak with me virtually or you want some assistance with the concepts in the class or have questions, you can always email me. And you can email me and request a time to meet, and I'll make sure that I send you a Zoom link. Even if it's during my office hours, I need to send you the link. So make sure you just email me and say, hey, I need a link to meet with you. I will also include a phone number on the Canvas page, the front page, so you can reach me if you ever need to call me as well. The next thing I wanted to talk about was the books that are required for this course. So in this course, we have two textbooks. One is Understanding Business Ethics, and then the other one is called Tribal Wisdom for Business Ethics. I'm really excited about this book because I think it has a lot of great information, but I definitely needed to supplement it, so that's why we have two of them. In this course, we will have weekly assignments and discussions, 4 case studies, and 2 exams. So a case study is just basically like a story that you read, and then it asks you questions based on that case. For the exams, there'll be a midterm and a final. They will be administered online. You can use your notes in your book on the exam. However, the exams will be timed. So you will have to study, but you can use your exam or you can use your book just like you could in the real world if you needed to reference something. Here's kind of how the grading breaks down. So weekly assignments, case studies, and exams, the grading scale. I do have the rubrics here as well for discussion forums. Please note on discussion forums, you have to respond as 2 students or you will lose 4 points. Responding to your classmates isn't like, oh, that was a good job, or hey, I agree. I want you to actually respond. The whole goal of discussion forums is for us to learn from each other as we might having a discussion in a physical classroom. So the way that the methods of instruction for this class, you will be expected to read your books, and then I will post PowerPoints as well as short mini lectures for each chapter. You'll have assignments, you'll have discussion forums, you'll have case studies, you'll have exams. So my goal is to help everybody to learn in a variety of manners because we all learn in different ways. There's just some dates to remember, policies and procedures. So I do take attendance in this class, and the way that I take attendance is if you logged into the class and you did your homework for the week, I'll count you as present. If you reach out to me and say, hey, I have XYZ going on, I'm not going to be able to attend this week, then I'll excuse you. If you do one of your assignments, let's say you have 2 assignments due, but you only do one of them, then I'll count you as tardy. So if you do some of your assignments but not all of them for the week, then you'll be tardy. And if you don't do your assignments, you're absent. Right? So that's how I will take attendance every week. Again, all announcements will be posted in Canvas. Here's the announcements. I'll also have a link on the homepage. And then you can also email me at any time. I usually respond within 24 hours, if not sooner. So you are expected to have a computer to complete your work, and everything will be submitted via Canvas. All late work is subject to a 10% reduction in grade. So it's 1% per day with a maximum penalty of 10%. And all late work will be accepted until April 30th. All right, so make sure that if you do accidentally miss something, that it's turned in by then. If you need assistance, please be sure to reach out to the Student Support Services. And if you need accommodations, also reach out to Disability Support Services, which is part of Student Services. Please read the Statement of Academic Honesty. Obviously, we want cheating, plagiarism. We just want to do our own work and do our best, and because that's how we learn. Also, we have our statement of value of diversity. We all have different backgrounds. We all have different experiences. And so I believe that we can all learn from each other. And in order to do that, we need to respect everyone's voices and opinions and thoughts, and really value and embrace our differences. So let's just try to have a classroom, even though it's virtual, where we are accepting of people and we treat them well. So here's the class schedule. I also have it posted on the homepage. So we'll start with the traditional business ethics book, and then we'll go to the tribal wisdom book, and end with our finals week. So with that, again, you can move over to modules, and you can begin work on the class. So reading the syllabus, doing the syllabus quiz, introducing yourself. I'll be posting the weekly mini lecture in PowerPoint here today or tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I look forward to getting to know all of you this semester. Have a great day.